Hi everyone. Even I fail install the handguard, but it's okay. You got to learn the mistakes. This one.
See, this is example of wrong.
This is example of wrong.
Now you can show example of right.
Hello, สวัสดีค่ะ I got my bike today. I pick up Snow today. Her name is Snow. It's GS, BMW GS. So I gonna learn how to install the handguard. Right, and I have my best friend Ken helping here today. He's just gonna be a supervisor to make sure that I make everything correct and tight. So what I got today is bark buster. So let's see.
Here's the tool. So this tool is I borrowed from Ken because BMW tool is just something small and tiny. I think it's gonna be well. So anyway, I got this and I got this. So make sure it has the sticker on that works for the GS. So anyway, put it out. And this. And this part. Okay, so I mentioned. Make sure it fits BMW GS-750. Okay, and this part. My bike is white and black, so I want red. Just a little bit fun, bring some fun. Attention to the bike. Okay, alright, let's do the work. First, we're gonna start from this. By this tool. I know what it's called. I hope I'm sorry not to open it up. Go right on it. This way, okay.
Okay, look like whatever I try to do is wrong. I got Toby here to help me make sure everything correct. So it's wrong like this. This one.
See, this is example of wrong.
This is example of wrong.
Now you can show example of right.
Okay. this is a woman work. And this is example of correct one.
Yeah, Tobasaw.
Thank you, Toby, to come and make sure it's right. So what I put it wrong is in opposite way. The space supposed to be outside.
That looks
the space to look outside. So like that.
Yeah, and then you just kind of put the bracket where it.
Okay, supposed to sit in proper way like this. This one. Da, da.
It is, yeah, right there. Go.
So.
Go in, yeah.
Yay! Go in.
Yeah.
Anyway, I got to learn. I got to do some a little work.
Hi everyone. Even I fail install the handguard, but it's okay. You got to learn the mistakes. So finally, it's finished. got to thank you, Toby. And thank you, my good friend Ken. Ken, that's Ken. Thank you so much. Thank you for help.
Toby did it all. Get a picture of Toby.
Oh, thank you, Toby too. Hi, Toby. This is amazing guy who helping me and
figure it
make
out.
sure everything correct. It's cool.
We saw. It's on? This is all on now?
It's on now.
Oh, this
Good.
Good.
I love it.
It's got the bolt. Here you go.